Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to verify your email in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to surf the Crunchyroll, verifying your email address is not necessary if you just want to watch some anime. But if you want to use Crunchyroll in full-fledged with premium, you will need to verify your email. When you open your account, Crunchyroll will send you an email address with a link where you can verify your Crunchyroll account. In order to verify, you just simply have to open your mailbox, and into your mailbox, search for the email with the "please confirm your account" which sent by Crunchyroll. Just simply open that email after finding, and you will get email like this. And into here you can use two ways to verify your email. Either you can copy this link into your clipboard and open any of the web browsers and paste the link into there. And other option is directly confirming your email address by tapping into this confirm email address option. And your email address will be confirmed just in one tap. By following this very easy step, you can easily verify your email into Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.